Here we have a very clean and very well-kept 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true driver quality example, solid, honest, and mechanically dialed in, with the features that matter: a 327 V8, cold factory air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, and an exceptionally clean body and underside. Everything works as it should. The factory air conditioning blows cold. It's equipped with a center console with functional gauges. It's a car you can actually drive and enjoy. It's reliable, tight, and something you could confidently take to a local show or weekend cruise and be proud of. If you're looking for a clean, well-maintained 68 Camaro with the right features and strong mechanicals, one that's ready to be enjoyed immediately, this is an excellent opportunity.